Yo, yo, yo. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna lower the... I'm going to lower the BGM for a bit. Oh my god. Y'all not gonna believe this. Okay, so... I haven't been streaming for around one week? Maybe like 1.5 weeks. It's been... oh my god. It's been a long week, okay? It's been a long week, everybody. I have a lot of things, actually. I mean, I have a lot of explaining to do. As in why I haven't streamed in for a long time. And I actually didn't disclose, like, oh my god, Femi, what happened to you? Where are you? Blah blah blah. Well, I have a perfectly good reason for why I am not streaming for a while back there. And it's completely reasonable, so please do not attack me. So, to make it simple, a few things happen. Oh my god, I just realized something. My bad. Wait. Forgot my avatar. Let's see, is it here or not? Alright, there you are. Okay. So, a few things happen to me. The first thing is that, if I'm not mistaken, I didn't stream on Friday. Why is it that color? Okay, wait, let me change that. Okay, that's weird. Let me change it to white. Okay. So I didn't stream in Friday, Saturday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Saturday. So, oh no, up. Wait. Test. So I didn't stream for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. That's a lot of days to miss. So yeah, I kinda not stream for like 1.5 weeks, which is actually not a good thing. Yeah. Which is actually not a good thing. I know that, everybody. Please do not attack me. I know it's bad to not stream for a long period of time, but let me explain. So, before that, yo, the 41 new. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I kind of lost my voice now, but by the way, welcome to the stream. This is the first stream after 1.5 weeks not streaming. A lot of things happen. The first thing that happened is I got very sick. Oh my god, my handwriting. I got very sick. Thanks, by the way. You're doing your best. That's all that matters. Thank you. Man, I appreciate that. But I saw your tweet that tomorrow is your birthday. I just wanted to say it. Happy birthday. I mean, happy early birthday. But yeah, so I got very sick, like super sick. At first I thought it was a fever because I was feeling all hot and sweaty. I was not feeling well in general. So at first I thought it was, maybe just a simple fever. But no, it evolved into something else. I couldn't eat. Every time I tried to eat, the food that I just put into my mouth, and I tried to, I tried to just eat it, but I just couldn't. I ended up throwing it out, which is not a pleasant experience. especially when you eat a lot and then you try to drink to make the food go down, and then it goes up and then out of your body. So that is one thing. I got very sick, and then, but it's okay. I didn't get hospitalized because I refused to go to the hospital because I know that the bill is going to kill me. I know that the bill is going to kill me, okay? And I don't have any kind of health insurance. So that's one thing. That's one thing. You know, that sounds like it was horrible, I'm sorry. Yes, it was horrible. It's very horrible, actually. Which, I think it might be one of the worst, you know what, just one of the worst weeks that I've experienced, but it is all in the past, so it's okay. And second of all, after I got better from the fever, I got food poisoning. I got another food poisoning, baby. You know? Because I feel like, oh man, I'm finally healthy. Let's eat something good to commemorate my recovery. Let's eat, like, I don't know, McDonald's. Boom, food poisoning, baby. It was, you know, the same thing again. Everything that I consumed, just everything that went into my stomach, just immediately goes out. I got a pretty bad diarrhea. Just I don't know, man. I turned my whole apartment into some kind of shithole. It's like 7, 8, 10 times of going back and forth into the toilet, which is, fuck me, it's horrible. it's really horrible when life was not having you around. Dude, I just want to say that I am so glad that I was not in school while this all was happening. If I were still in school, Jesus Christ, I couldn't imagine how bad it will be. But that is what happening. That is what happened. And I think I gotta add one more thing. I traveled for a bit. I traveled. It's not a really, like, you know, it's not really like far. I didn't go really far. I just go around, like, I don't know, 50 kilometers from my place. Because I live in Indonesia, there's actually a lot of, like, how do I say this, like, a lot of city to travel in. So I traveled to Bandung. I was in Jakarta and I traveled to Bandung. I just, you know, enjoy the view. You know, it's some kind of like mountain area. It's pretty cold. It's pretty nice though. I stayed there for 3 nights and 2 days. I mean, 3 days and 2 nights. Oh, I stayed there for a bit with my mom. I'm just, you know, having a great time. By the way, that's where I got my food poisoning. That is where I got my food poisoning. But it's okay. It's only for 1 day. The food poisoning only lasts for 1 or 2 days, which is, I'm glad that it only lasts for 1 or 2 days because I couldn't enjoy my holiday if it lasts for, like, I don't know, a week. But yeah, that's all happened. That is all that happened. Got very sick. Got food poisoning on Bandung, and I actually traveled, which is a great experience. It is great. It's fun. I took some break from swimming because, you know, I was dying, and I actually haven't done any kind of progress on my game because, again, I was dying. It sounds like fun. Did you see anything cool? Yes, I do. I do see a lot of monkeys. I see a lot of monkeys. The view is amazing. I went into some kind of, you know, like a volcano. I don't know what you call it, but there's a lot of sulfur, and the smell is just smells like hot spring, and the place is just amazing. The view is gorgeous, by the way. I think I should post some on Twitter because I just love the view. Okay. The food poisoning minus the food. That sounds wonderful. Yes, it is wonderful. Even though I only stayed there for 2 days, 3 days, but it's a very, very It's a very, very nice experience. Well, I didn't regret going there, but the food poisoning, we can deal with that later. Something you'll remember? Yes. Because I didn't do a lot of traveling, especially when I'm still dying, but it's a good experience now. Okay. What more do I want to say? Yeah, let's talk about the to-do list. So, for my game, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a recap. Let's do a little bit of a recap on my game. I know that you haven't been around for a while now, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of recap. So this is what my game look like right now. I can smack people, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and the enemy can come here. I can just jump around him, smack him up, boom, boom, that. Cool. And actually there is some kind of adjustment that I want to make. One of them being maybe my jump is a little bit too floaty, and I'm not, no, it's a little bit too high. Yeah, I will deal with that later, but first I'm gonna kill myself first. The enemy is so small compared to the slime. Yes, because it is currently our enemy, a prototype. Okay, my slime died. Currently it is still a prototype. I'm going to change it later. That is why on the to-do list today I just killed the slime, sorry. That's why on the to-do list today I am going to fix the damage system, because there is still a lot of bugs and I gotta change that, and I gotta do some better enemies. So that means I'm gonna draw, I'm gonna animate, I'm gonna just I'm gonna try to design a really good enemy. My first it's gonna be the first enemy that the slime is going to encounter. I don't really have a good idea on what it's gonna be. Maybe like some kind of a wolf. I was thinking about when the player got in, instead of tutorial, we're gonna fight the first boss immediately. Yeah, the first boss, here you go. Here is the first boss. Or maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But yeah, I think I will. And obviously we're gonna work on the evolve mechanics. That's great, something to celebrate. Yes. Yes. Anyway, evolve mechanics, gotta do the mechanics. Hopefully I can do it all today. Hopefully. And just do my best not to pass out, because I'm pretty sure that I am still dying. Can't wait to see all that evolution. Me too, because I am the most excited for that. Okay, that is all the to-do list for today. And I also prepared something else actually. I prepared something to watch. Video to watch to get good. Okay. So the first one is how to use classes. Second one is how should you use a finite state machine. And then this thing, finite state machine in Godot in under 10 minutes. Adding combo attacks to our state machine. Why do we need a state machine? A finite state machine, actually. I have no idea, because I still don't understand what this thing does. But, we're going to learn today. So let's start by watching this one. That's also cool. Yes, it is. It is cool, and trust me, as you can see, I've watched all of this video, and let me tell you, I don't understand a thing. I don't understand a single thing. This all just went right past my brain. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Oops, that's my notification. Okay, I'm gonna move this baby. I'm going to open up YouTube. Okay, the first video is how to use classes in Godot. Very tired actually. Okay. Let's open up the desktop audio.
Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and use classes in Godot. Now, I do have this example project set up, and in here I can use this axe to chop down trees, and once their health reaches 0, then they will be deleted. But I will be showing you how this works and kind of how I'm utilizing classes in this example. But if you have no clue what classes are, first I'm going to show you how to create your own class and the syntax for that. So in Godot, you can create a new class as a script. I'm going to do this by right-clicking in my scripts folder and say,
what the fuck? Wait. Oh yeah, I can create my class in a script. Cool.
Saying new script, and then I'm going to call it my_class, and we're going to inherit from node 2D. Now, if I open up this script, which is called my class, you can see that we are extending from node 2D, and this means that we are inheriting all of the properties contained
You better pay
inside
attention.
of the node 2D object.
You better pay attention to Void 1 Uwu. You know, it's something that you're gonna use one day. Maybe, who knows? But it's a good thing to learn. It is a good information to take in.
Object. Now, we can further extend this by saying class name.
Most
likely, call this my class. And this is how you would create.
Even if you use a different engine,
so I'm gonna add
this is still a common knowledge to
We're gonna
learn.
make one which is an export variable, and we're gonna call it health, and I'll set it to 100.
We're gonna speedrun this. Okay, you make a class, and then you make a health, and then what happened? Okay.
And now in any of our scenes, let's say we make a new scene here, we can add a new child.
Also, it's so some. That's fancy. Yes. That's cool, right?
Child node, and you can see that if we search for my class, we have this new node added to Godot. And this is essentially just a class defined by the script that we created.
Oh, that's cool.
Extending node 2D. And if we add this, that needs to be shared between different instances of other objects. And classes are commonly used for things like enemies. So let's say you have a game with hundreds of different types of enemies, but they all have the same method, which would be to take damage. Now, you wouldn't want to make a separate script for each enemy and then copy the same take damage function into each script, but instead you'd want to make a parent class which would be called enemy, and maybe this would inherit from the character body class which is built into. So in
Alright, I kind of understand the thing there. Cool, yeah, fairies all together, that is amazing, makes it easy to understand when it goes into detail. Yes! That's why you gotta understand like the basics first before you get into the detail and that kind of stuff. Because then if you get into the detail without knowing the basics, then boom, you'll be like me, stupid, not knowing anything.
In the example I've created, we have a class called choppable tree, and this essentially contains a health, a reference to a progress bar, and a reference to a hurt box. Now, the progress bar just displays the amount of health left, and we are basically setting this with a setter function here. The hurt box is just an instance to a scene which I've created, and I'll show you that later, but it essentially takes inputs from a hitbox node, and then we'll take the damage value from that, and in this case, apply it to our take damage function inside of our choppable tree. Now, here you can see we're reducing our health by the damage taken, and then if it is smaller than 1, we're going to delete this object. But basically, all of this logic is going to be contained inside of our choppable tree class, meaning that if we inherit from our choppable tree class, we're going to have all of this functionality right off the bat without having to copy anything over to our new trees. So in this case, I have a maple tree scene.
So if you got a class name, let's say a choppable tree, we wanted to make another choppable tree. We don't have to copy and paste. We just, use the same class name. I don't want to use the same class name, but I'm gonna change it into like choppable tree 2, and the thing that we inherit will stay the same. Okay, that's cool.
Choppable the health.
We can change like the sprite, the blah blah blah, and
now,
the code is still the same.
Health,
yeah.
I've also set the health of the birch tree to 25, and
I think you're smart. It takes time learning something new. Also, that name for the class.
set the health of.
Yep.
But for right now, I just want to show you how easy it is to create a new tree. So I'm gonna make an instance scene here. We're gonna select.
Okay, make a new tree, baby.
And I'm gonna search for choppable tree.
So you just press that, and then boom, you got a new class.
Right into our scene tree, and I'm gonna name it dead tree. You can see that none of the progress here yet, but I think it makes more sense.
Oh, so everything is going to stay the same, but you can add like a new sprite and anything. Okay, my theory works. Alright, I'm pretty smart actually. No, I'm dumb. Anyway.
To actually have it different for each tree, because in a real game, maybe you want to have different collision shapes for different objects.
Yeah, cool.
Even though they're the same class, they could be all going to reuse them in my dead tree scene.
Copy and paste.
We want to have basically the same setup here. Now, for the sprites, obviously,
change the sprite.
I'm just going to move this up a bit, and for the collision shape, again,
change the collision shape and everything.
Assign these bar is my progress bar object, and the hurt is my hurtbox object. Save this, and now I can create a new dead tree instance inside of my game. Now I'm going to go ahead and run this to test the functionality out.
That would be cool to explain the different classes. Yes.
Tree takes 2 hits. If I chop down a birch tree.
Okay, I kind of understand the thing now. So one thing. I've actually implemented the class system in my game, as you can see on my script. If we go to attack, if you go to attack, you can see that I have a class name attack. And I use that class inside my player. So this is going to be a little confusing. But I'm going to explain it in a way that everyone could understand. I think so. I hope so. So what can I do? First, I have a group that name is enemy, and if we go to enemy and we go to enemy, we go to enemy, node groups. Yes, you can see here that my enemy is in the enemy groups. Yay! Anyway, if we go back to the player script, So what this thing does is that I have a collision for my player. And if you go to the 2D mode, as you can see here, these two gray boxes is my hitbox. I mean, it is my like attack box, hitbox. So when I attack, this is like the range that I'm going to attack with. If you go back to the script, you can see that here is a player attack. It's pretty simple. Basically, if you press the basic attack button, which in my case is G, it is this button, by the way. I'm gonna show it here. Boom. If it's G and attack allowed is equal true, I set that true, by the way. This is I gotta explain this later, but I'm just gonna ignore it for now. And if the attack allowed is equal true and the animated sprite 2D flip H is true, that means that we are looking to the right, and if this is true, then we are going to hit the right side. If we are looking the left side, we're going to hit the left side. There is actually a bug that I was encountering. I was figuring stuff out. How the fuck do I fix this bug? Because it used to I can only do one side one damage. I mean, I can only do a damage on only one side. Yes. So now that I kind of fix it, I can hit both sides. Okay. So if I'm not pressing this, so just disable the collision box. Yeah. Cool, right? I also add an attack time, so I couldn't spam. I can, like attack in, I don't know. Let's see, my attack time is 0.50 second of delay. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Now, let's get into a little bit of, this might be a little bit confusing, but here, I'm just gonna delete this first because I'm not gonna need that. If body is in group enemy, that means that the whatever is over here is in the group enemy. Okay. Ooh. Whatever that my collision detect is in the group enemy, and the enemy has a method called damage. What is damage? If we go back to the enemy script, let's go back to the enemy script. As you can see here, I have a function that the name is damage. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore all this code here first. I'm gonna ignore all of this. I'm gonna go back to the player. Okay, now that we check that, okay, we detect the group, the enemy group, and then we detect that, oh, it got a method. It got a damage method. So what are we going to do? First, we're going to create a new variable that is attack, and then class attack.new. What does this mean? Okay, so as you can see, if we go back to the attack here, the class name is attack. So we're just reusing the class name, and this class name contains 3 variables. To count the hits, yes, it is to count the damage and to count the knockback force, attack position, yada yada. So that's cool. Okay, we got the attack damage, we got the knockback force, and we got the attack position. Now let's go back to our player. Now, attack damage equal attack damage, and the knockback force equal knockback force, and the attack position global position. That means that the current position that our player is in. And for these 2 variables right here, I actually assign it on the top here. As you can see, attack damage is 2, knockback force is 1.75, my bad. Okay, and then body.damage. Body means that our enemy is gonna call the function damage and the variable attack. That way, we don't have to call 3 separate variables. We only need to call one object, which is attack. That makes all the thing way simpler, because let's say we wanted to have like a tree, and we wanted to attack the tree, but we don't need this. We don't need the knockback force. We don't need the attack position. We only need the attack damage. Let's say if we didn't use this class right here, that means that if we have like 3 variables, we can't just, use one of them, because the game is going to break. Why? I have no fucking idea, because that is just how Godot works. Okay? So that is a very simple thing. Go back to the enemy. So what does the damage function actually does? So pretty simple. We got the health, which we can define over here. See, I got my health. My health is 6 points of health. Cool, right? Health minus attack damage. If we go back to our player, the attack damage is 2. Cool. Go back to the enemy. Pretty simple. Attack health minus attack damage, velocity, global position minus attack position. That means we take our global position, we minus the attack position, which will be let's say if we are in position 1 and our attack position is -10, then our global then it's gonna make the attack come from a positive range, which is to the right. And then we can add some knockback force. Then I just print enemy health equal health. Yay! Now if you try the game, it will look something like this. Hello, I'm gonna smack it first. As you can see, it's gonna write hi ya and then enemy health 4. One more time, boom, done. Also, I wanted to add a few things. I think I gotta add this. So first thing that we gotta fix. Wait, we watched this already. That makes sense? Yes, it makes complete and total sense. So we gotta fix this first. Fix the damage system, because right now, for my player, the damage system is pretty jank. Pretty jank, not gonna lie. We go back to the player. I'm gonna delete. I'm going to delete this thing because it's a nonsense. Hello, Bloodscar96. Welcome to the stream. Hello. How are you? Okay, cool. What are we gonna do here? We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this thing. Fix the what the fuck? Damage system. Alright, first thing that I want to do is to remove this. Obviously. Pretty good, how are you? I am doing not fine. Not gonna lie. I still feel very terrible because, you know, my health is deteriorating. What the fuck am I trying to say? My health is not in a good condition, but I am fine. I am fine. Alright, first thing we gotta do is delete the hazard detector because I don't think we need that. Yeah, I don't think we need that. Okay, let's go back to this thing. Sorry to hear that. It's okay. I am completely fine now, I think. I'm completely fine now. What should be something important? Shh. Don't. And no, there's not gonna be anything important. I'm just gonna delete it. If it is, then I'm gonna cry. Alright. We have deleted that, so now that our enemy is not going to have any kind of way to receive damage. Oh shit. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. I'm not dumb. What do you think I am? I'm not dumb. Call it? No. No, you didn't. I'm just gonna copy this function over here. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. We're gonna name this player health. Yikes. Will I add a knockback force? Maybe. So, yikes. Yeah, bye. Oh no. Wait. I gotta use my brain for a second. We didn't need we didn't use this. Yes, we didn't use this. No. Wait, what? Here. Yes, this one. Connect this to the blah blah blah. Delete some of these lines over here. Copy the shit that I have in here. Blah blah blah. Paste it here. Ooh. Uh. Wait. Oh no. Yeah, I kinda get it. Yeah, baby. I'm just gonna delete this because I don't need this one for new one. Change this to player. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm just gonna copy this and go back to the spikes and the spikes. What is the spike? Wait, what is the spikes? What? Oh, I didn't make one for the spikes. Yeah, I gotta make one. Ah, the name is traps. Okay, I'm gonna make a new one. Spikes GD. I'm gonna delete this. What are we going to do with you? Go back to the enemy. Take this and to the spikes. Put it here. I'm using like 10% of my brain right now. Jesus Christ. Delete this for now. Maybe delete this too. We just put this. No, I'm just a dum dum. I think this will work. Wait for it. Just wait for it. We go back to this place. We take this. Go back to the spikes. We paste this. Then they miss this. Let's do it a 5. Okay, let's try. This should work now. What the fuck? It works. But something is wrong. Wait, what? Okay, it works. But something is wrong. I don't think that's meant to happen. Yeah, me too. Wait, what the hell is happening? Oh. Wait, oh my god, what is going on? So, it's the health bar. Alright. That's what we need to find out. Why did it walk through the slime and why did it take a fair amount of frames to display slime? That is what we need to find out. How do I say this? Actually, why did it walk through the slime? Because that is a feature that I made. This is the attack for now. This is the attack for now. That is going to be attack for now. I'm gonna change that later, but for now it's just gonna be that. Let's see, can we kill ourselves? Ooh, wait, what? Wait, something is wrong. When we hit that, there's like some kind of a delay going on. What is that? Whoa. So this doesn't work for some reason. This is the health decrease bar. Go back to player. Canvas layer. Health bar. Weird. Very weird. Very weird. Hell is not healthing. Yes. Oh, what? Health decrease bar. Okay. You got the timer over here. Yep. Why is it not working? Set health. Variable previous health equal health. Main value new health. Okay. Anime. Hmm. Okay, I gotta take some time. Let me turn on the BGM so I'm not stressing out that much. So, oh shit, this is confusing. There should be nothing wrong with this one. It should decrease the health. Ah, and there's some kind of like a velocity problem over here. What is wrong? It's not the knockback. It is not the knockback. What is the problem? Oh, fuck, this is confusing. No. I don't want this to happen. Oh, wait. Let's go back to the player. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. Okay, let's see. What? Whoa, what the fuck? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I can do this. I can do this. Sobs. Oh! Alright. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Go back to the health bar. Hiya, what is this all? I don't understand all. Hiya. Oh no. What? Pammy, use your brain. Okay. Set health. Yes. Variable. Let's make a new variable. The new variable is previous health equal health. Health min max value minus health value equal health. If the health is less, then this should not be a problem. The problem is on my player, I believe. If I sit here, we just slowly check it out. And we slowly see. Alright. Aha! No, aha. No. Naya. Not this. Okay. Okay, we can ignore this. We can ignore this. We can ignore this. Ignore this. What the fuck? Ah, you know what? You know what? Let's see. What? No. No. No, I thought it would work. Oh, she was secure. It doesn't work. Oh my god. Oh my god. It doesn't work. Why is it not working? Maybe I'm just a dum-dum. Who knows? Yikes. Go back to the help bar, said Hell. No, it's not this. I wonder why. Let me think. Why is it not calling the help bar? Why is the help bar not working? I see. I think I know. I think I have a fix for this. May not be the fix, but let me try this first. Okay. Shit. No. No, 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 no. I thought it would work. GGO Esta, or how do I spell them? Gosta, hello, welcome to the stream. I'm trying to figure out why my health bar is not working. As you can see here. Very weird. Super weird, actually. I have some kind of like I don't know, like a buggy. Ah, shit, this is weird. You know, I'm gonna try to revert all of it back to its original state. Yeah. Okay. Let me rethink all of it. Let me do a little bit of a rethinking. Oh. I think I know. I think I know how to fix this. Cool little guy. You wanna see the guy? It's over here. He can whip people. Look at this. He can smack the face out of this guy. There's actually not much that this guy can do right now, but I will give this guy a bit of more feature in the future. Help our progress. Yep. I think I know how to fix this. Kinda. I kinda know. I think I will do this. Set a fishing area. I'm not gonna do that. Ah. Handle. Fuck. I know now. And now I know why. I know why. I am such an idiot. I know why now it doesn't work. Oh my god, I can't believe that I'm such an idiot. I can't believe it. I really cannot believe how dumb can I be. It's because of this code right here. I forgot to update the health bar. That is why it doesn't work. Bro. See? 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 Dude, this is such a stupid mistake. Look, I was looking for, oh my god, did I write something wrong? It is a bug. It is, something that I do wrong. Am I wrong? Turns out I forgot to update the health. How dumb can I be? Alright, so at least we know the problem now. Yay. Cool. And then I kind of wanted to increase the damage for this fight. Maybe like say 6 damage. We go back to our player. Okay, so we we fix this. Yay! Give us a round of applause, everybody. Can we fix this? So right now our enemy is like this. Hello, bitches. You wanna fight me, mate? Come here, mate. I'm gonna fight you. Hiya! Ah, you hit me. Hiya! Run away. Bad boy. I'm gonna hire your voice. Cool. That voice is making this so entertaining. Hiya! Look at this cute guy over here. I love him so much. Oh, Oh yeah, and one thing. Do you guys remember, like, I don't think you do remember, but let's say we go back to this place, we go to the animated sprite, hold down, just hit floor. Okay, I have it. Okay, let's work on this. So what am I gonna do now? Let me do some explaining. Shut to the P. Yep. So right now, if you can see that my slime has a jumping and falling down animation, like doing, 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 doing. Cool, right? But one more thing that I want to add is that when it falls down and when it just hits the ground, I want it to, like, you know, blap, like kind of splat flat like this over here, like this, blap, 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 like that, just like that. Yes, not exactly a puddle, just, you know, goes flat. Like when you go here, go up, go down, you know, it's gonna lay flat for a second and then go back to normal. Yeah, pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to do that. So the name is just hit floor. Let's see if our script, yeah, flat pancake, like true, it is a pancake. It's a slime pancake. You go back to the update. Ooh, what is this? Oh boy. Let's add a new condition. Okay. I don't like this at all. Not at all. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think I have this. Let's do some brain tinkering. I'm gonna try to So what we gotta do is that we need this. We need this. If just hit ground. Okay, so how am I going to imply this thing? If just hit ground, how do we know that our player just hit the ground? How do we know that? I don't know. I have no idea. If we start working right now without any clue on how to do it, it's gonna be tricky. Variable, yes, it will be a variable, but I don't know what kind of variable it is, which is frustrating. Self switch, not exactly. I think it's more of a like a frame perfect, you know. Like we have to tell from the frame was on floor. Wait. Ah, no, we can use this. I think we can use this. Okay, yeah, I think we can use this. I'm pretty sure we can use this. Maybe. No, we cannot use that. It was on. Oh shit. Okay, let's make a new variable. Just hit ground. Let's use our brain for a second. Just hit ground equal is on floor. I think this will work. Maybe. Let's see. People say that there's like some kind of one frame perfect, just hit ground is equal true. Then we play the animation. And okay, I just noticed that. Huh? Okay. Uh-huh. Huh? 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 Oh. Oh no. What? Huh? What? Wait, what did I do to myself? Did I break my code? Oh my god. Oh wait, oh no. What? Huh? It works now? Huh? Alright. Okay. You know what? That documentation will help it will help our ass. So just okay. That was scary? Yes, it was. Okay, question. I'm making a 2D platform with a simple jump mechanics. It's a pretty simple question, but I can, for the life of me, not figure it out. I want to have my cat emit some kind of particles when they land on the floor. I already have the code for the particles. I just need something to make it trigger when my cat hits the floor. I tried to use it on floor, but it doesn't work the right way, sadly. You can set the particle to emit when the boat velocity is 0 and is on the floor. Can this really work? Really? Really now? Really now? Will this really work? Really work? Will this work? I am very doubtful. Let's see. Will this work? Is just hit ground equal true. We're going to play animated sprite 2D dot play just hit floor, and we're gonna play it. We're gonna add this. We are going to add. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. my god! Stop it! Stop this madness! Oh, you know what? I can fix this. I can fix this. Maybe. Ah. Never mind. I didn't fix nothing. I did not fix anything. No. No. No, 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 no. 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 Ah, eh? Is that an option? No, it's not. Shit. It keeps playing. Google! What the hell, man? I believe in you. If you want to pick up the first frame that is on floor. Oh. Wait, what the hell? Huh? Let's make a new variable. I'm just gonna follow this guy. You want to pick up the first frame that is on for fires. You got an on-ground bow which chooses from false to true the first time you hit the ground. Therefore, on Only on the first frame will is on floor will be true and on ground be false, so use that fact. Huh? So I just gotta do this. Is on floor, and then if on ground, if not on ground, play that. Okay. No way this will work, right? Let me try this first. Maybe not. Let's try that again. No. No. Just no. Alright, you know what? Let's do this. If it's on floor, yeah, and then if not on ground, okay, print just hit floor. Ouchie. No, just hit floor. I hope it will work. Doesn't work. Doesn't even play the animation. The animation just gone. Did I mess something up? I think I messed something up. Shit. I might deleted something. What did I do? No, none of the animation works. What did I do? Oh no. I've done something that I don't understand. Okay, I'm just gonna Control Z everything. Sayonara to all of you. Let's delete this one. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it works now. What the hell? What happened? What happened? What happened? I don't understand. What just happened? Weird, right? Feels like I didn't change anything. Huh? Boy. Wait, what the hell? Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna try some stuff. Make a new variable. Man, I'm so... sometimes time like this make me feel like, you know, I'm just a idiot. Sometimes, you know, a moment like this makes me realize that I'm an absolute stupid idiot. I don't know if it will. I don't know if it will work. I don't think so. I don't think it works. Yep. So it will play again and again, again and then again and again and again. I'm sorry. Why are you sorry? It's okay. On a different note, have you taken a break to drink water? No, I'm gonna take one. Okay, I have taken one drink. I mean, I've taken the drink. Ah. Okay, thanks for the reminder. Thank you for the reminder. Woo woo. Yep. Yippee. Okay. I gotta use my brain for this one. Smack there and smack it over there. Let's see if this will work or not. Most likely not. Yep, doesn't work. I wonder. Ah, I see. Uh-huh. Never mind. This is very confusing. No, it doesn't work. By the way, thanks for the reminder, man. Because I often, you know, keep talking without even drinking any. Very stressful. Very, very stressful. I think I'm gonna cry after this. Reminder are always good. Yes, it is. Maybe I should make like some kind of hey, get a drink reminder. Okay, so it keeps playing the just hit floor, just hit floor. But let's take a break and work on another thing. If it's upsetting you, don't force yourself to do a stream if you don't feel up to it. No, I mean, doing a stream itself is not a big deal for me. It just working on this game sometimes can really discourage you, because you know, I don't know, it just stresses you out sometimes. Just sometimes feel like, oh man, I'm too dumb to do something because I couldn't figure it out. Yada yada. You know what I mean. It's very confusing. Let's see. I'm thinking. You know what? For now, I'm just gonna ignore that first. We are going to move on with another thing. So what we're gonna do is that better enemy. Yes. Ugh. Stop stressing out with a thing that we couldn't handle. Okay, I've got another video to watch. Let's watch the state machine one. We go back to this, we go back to YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna censor this a little bit. Yep, we are going to take a break from that thing. We're gonna do another thing now. When you should use highlight. Okay, I have opened up the video. Let's watch it together.
There's a programming pattern that's especially popular when making games called state or finite state machines. It consists of breaking down, for example, a character's different actions into individual objects, or in the case of Godot, it allows you to split the character's code into short scripts, as we've done in this 2D game. In this video, we're going to compare that to this 3D project that has a character that's about as complex but doesn't use a finite state machine. Here's the 2D game in action, so you can see a bit what the state machine does. The enemies and the player character both use a state machine. And you can attack, change weapons, you can guard, you can double jump, you can climb ladders, those kinds of things. The character has quite a few actions, and here's the first advantage of using a state machine. We can split each of these actions into separate objects, and in this case, we use nodes to make things visual for you, and each of these nodes has a separate script. So you separate concern. For example, if we have an issue with a climb platform state and mechanic, we can open the script and we know that the bug is most likely in there. We can very easily insert breakpoints and use the debugger to see what is happening in the code. This brings us to the first disadvantage. It's that your code is split across, well, in this case, multiple files. But if you use a single file with inner classes in GDScript, this would be split across multiple classes. And the problem about that is you need to jump around to get the full logic of your character. And also you will have some boilerplate. So for example, you need to define functions to enter and exit the current state. And this helps avoid some bugs, but at the same time, this can make your code quite a bit longer. If we compare to our 3D project here, it doesn't compare one-to-one because it's a different game, but look at this. We have the player character, and if I open the one script that controls the player, it's really long, yes, but if I go to the bottom, it's about 250 lines of code. And this is a 3D project. 3D requires more code when it comes to moving objects. If we compare to the finite state machine in the other game, we need more code there, a couple hundred more. And this is just because when you have very specific code for your character controller, you don't need any extra boilerplate. To the question, when should I use a finite state machine, there's no clear-cut answer. Like all patterns, it comes with trade-offs. You can try it and see if splitting your states makes things easier for you to manage. I also recommend it in cases like AI because it helps to sequence patterns on enemies, so finite state machines can be really nice for this. But I also recommend trying this big blob of code here you can see for our 3D player character, because if you manage to master that, it doesn't make the code necessarily much harder to understand. It can make it shorter and faster to modify as well. I can only recommend that you try both approaches very seriously, that you gain some experience with both and make educated decisions in each project and for each character. On this channel, I answer.
Okay, so let's do some explaining again, which is very fun, obviously. Okay, this is gonna be a short explanation from me. So what is a finite state machine? Let's say if you got a state, this is not like American state or whatever, it's not like, I don't know, Louisiana, Texas, no, it's not that. But let's say I got 3 states of my player. The first one is going to be run, and then idle, and then jump. So right now in our code, as we can see, all of this thing that is happening, the jump, the run, the cat movement, and the idle animation is all crunched up into one single big pile of codes. As you can see, my code is pretty long actually. It's 129 lines of code. As you can see, we handle all the gravity over here. We handle the jumps, we handle the character movement, we handle the up animation, the attacks, the set health, everything in one code. And because my game concept is like this, the slime is going to evolve into like a lot of other things. It may have some kind of ears, have some dashing ability, it might have wings. Let's say it's like some kind of a butterfly wings, it can fly, right? So it will have a lot of states. Let's say that I can even swim in places, become a fish, right? So there'll be a lot of evolution that I'm planning to work on if I just crunch all that evolution into one single code. Guess what will happen? Just picture what will happen if I scrunch everything up into one single code. Instead, we can move on and work onto it like this. State machine. Okay, the first state, I'm gonna be a fish state. Okay, it's a fish state. Yeah, cool. I can be a butterfly state. Jesus Christ, my handwriting is bad. I can be a butterfly state. Maybe I can be a wolf state. And inside this state, it's going to be like several different small states, like run, dash, stuff like that. Yes, kaboom on the code, exactly. That is what we are expecting if we just, scrunch everything up into one single code. I mean, a lot of people do that, but it's not a great practice, in my opinion, because I'm working on something that is really versatile and it has a lot of condition, it has a lot of transformation. If I just crunch it up into one code, it's gonna be a bad thing. The only time when I can think of doing that, which is combining everything into one single code, is when our player is, our player is very simple. It has a simple movement, it has a simple commands, and it has a simple purpose. Let's say that I make a game about a player jumping. Let's say this is the player. This ball is the player, and the player objective is jump for this, and there will be some obstacle that will come over here. Let's say like another thing that will come, and our objective is just jump over things and high score. Getting the high score. It's a very simple game. This is a very simple game. And it doesn't make sense if we have states for this player because it will only be two. Run and jump. So my question is, if we have two different code with probably total of 20 lines and 10 lines, is it efficient to do that? I don't think so. I don't think that it will be very efficient to do this. But in my case, which I will have like a lot of things that I have explained previously, I will have a lot of evolution, a lot of things to be. It only makes sense if I separate the code into some several small stuff, which is, in this case, we call it the state machine. So that is pretty much it for the explanation for the state machine. Cool. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Why? Oh my god, the stream's so short. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of storytelling. If you don't mind, obviously, because to be honest, I prefer talking like this rather than working on my game, because sometimes I get really, really discouraged on working on it. As you can see, like, working on this kind of game, it put a lot of stress, it put a lot of toll onto me, and just sometimes failing at something doesn't feel really good. But if you manage to get it done and you manage to figure out what is wrong with it, that's a good feeling. That is a really good feeling. But for the animation that I was talking about, the one that when it goes flat, it will play the animation. That one doesn't work out exactly well. I've tried that before, like a few times actually. It just doesn't work. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. But I think I'm just gonna leave it be right now. I will tell you guys. I mean, I will tell you because you're the only one here, the void one, which I really appreciate, by the way. So what's my plan for ahead? So I'm gonna change a lot of things because I don't know, we all love change, right? Thank you. It's okay if you miss some of my stream. You don't have to be here every time. You got your own thing to do too. So yeah, the plan. So I started with, a pretty egotistical, if you can call it that, because I will not rely on tutorial. This is the earlier phase, early plan. So at first I was like, all right, no tutorials, boohoo, and then just figure stuff out myself. Figure it out alone. All progress. Oops. Must be done on stream. So when I started streaming and I started my game dev journey, this is my rule. No tutorials, figure it out how to do it alone, and all of my progress must be done on stream. And we're gonna change that. It's gonna be like a current plan. So what I will change is this thing right here. No, the progress will not be done. I mean, not all of the progress must be done on stream. So I can figure some stuff out by myself on my free time. Okay? Let's say, I got some time, but I don't have enough time to stream, but I have enough time to work on my game. Alright? So, that'll be better for me, I think. because this entire time, if I don't stream, then I don't work on my game. I don't think that's a good idea to do that, because if I, let's say, for some reason, I stop streaming, like, at all, for some reason, okay, let's say from some health reason or whatever, that means my game is not going to go forward, which is not what I want. Obviously, I started all of this because I wanted to make games, and if my games just resolve around streaming, then that's not what I want. So that's, yeah, that makes sense. Having a long time to do it will help you take in stride. Yes, that is my plan. So that is it, actually, for the plan ahead. I will have more time figuring some stuff out, learning a new way to do stuff, learning a new way to make this work or make that work, or maybe finding some help that I can find online, making some friends, maybe, who knows. But in this game dev community, I think it's really important for us to grow as a person and as a game dev, and do some kind of networking to know each other, know other programmer, other game dev, learn from them, and maybe, you have to be brave to ask some question. You can't be you can't be shy and, oh no, I don't want to ask some question. No, just be a an annoying fuck. Just ask question. Do the best you can. Getting friends will help you and to help another. Yes, that's why I have my own Discord server, even though it's pretty inactive right now. I do have some members in it, and I'm trying my best. I also, me RL not wanting to ask for help. Well, to be honest, RL asking for help is kind of embarrassing sometimes. But I will show you something. It's about my channel. I don't know if you know it, but I do have a channel of my own. View my channel. So yes, I do have a channel of my own. It's not a very big channel, but I do have some kind of subscriber. I mean, I have 57 subscribers. It's not much, but it's something. This is a very shameful self-promoting. But yeah, I do have a channel. Feel free to subscribe if you wanted to. I do make some videos. So when I was, dying, by that I mean like very sick, I worked on this video, which took me around 3 weeks because I was too lazy to do it. Took me around 3 weeks to figure some stuff out, edit, blah blah blah, make the thumbnail, write the script, voiceover, everything. I think I'm gonna take a break from making videos because it took too much time for me. I'm gonna focus on my game instead. So the Void 1 Uwu, you're going to be the witness of my words here. I'm not going to do any takebacks. So mark my words. I will get serious on my game and do or make a major progress. By the end of the... No, today is the 30th of June. Okay. I'm going to make a major progress next week. Let's say that next week I'm going to have a better anime, and I'm just going to try and make a major progress. I know I got this. I will try my best, because this time I promised myself I will seriously work on the game, because I couldn't just do this all the time. I gotta focus, Pammy. And I will try to be much more active. Try to be much more active on Twitter, on my Discord server, on YouTube actually, because I think I will try to make some short videos, maybe try to get some new viewers in. I think that's it. I have a lot of things that I wanted to do, a lot of ambitions, a lot of dreams that I have to fulfill. Yeah, that is it, I think, of what I'm gonna do. But before that, let's play our game for a little while. It's not much. Ouch. Ouch. It's not much, but one thing that I can be proud of is this death animation. I love it so much. I don't know why. Let's kill this guy first. Okay, let's kill ourselves. And then let's kill ourselves. Boom boom. Boom boom. I love this death animation so much. I don't know how to explain this to you, but I just love it so much. Anyway, I have a question to ask for you, the Void one, Ubu. How's your game going? As you can see, my game is going stagnant, but let's talk about your game. How is it? How is your game? Oh, you got a demo out. I think I should check it out then. Let's see. Let's check the demo. Is it on itch.io? It is, right? I'm not logged in there. You know what? Can I? What's the game? What's the name? I want to check it out. What's the game name? Dude, there's a lot of games here. I think I've seen this before. The king is watching. One sec, I'll grab the info. Yes! Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a game jam. Oh, Bracky's game jam is going on. Oh boy, starts in 1 month, 10 days, and 7 hours, 40 minutes. I'm gonna try this. Cool. End the stream pre-demo. End the stream pre-demo. Let's check it out. Ah, here's it. Crypte. Hello. Ender's Dream. Ender's Dream is a story-based game alongside having a few quests and a colorful cast of the characters. You play as a colorful humanoid. The length of the demo depends on the secrets you try to find. More information published 26 days ago in development. Cryptic. Let's see. Ah, okay. Adventure story game. Oh, hello. Yes. Make Cryptic Moon. Click down now to get the access to following 5 game and the 3 demo. Ah, you got some feedback? Cool. I think you may be missing a file and actually I lost the game, a narrow window pops out. Okay, let's try. Let's try it. I'm sorry, but I have no money, so I couldn't donate any kind of money to you. I just want to say that I am very sorry. Oh shit. Okay, so... Ah, I see. Wait. How do I get out from this? Let's see, what's the problem here? What? Am I muted? I don't think so. Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Hello? Sound check? Sound check? Ah. My volume is at max. What? Wait. Let me check. Hello? 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 Alright. Ah. There is an error, by the way. Alright. Oh, my mind! Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm tired. Let's play a mini game. I'm just gonna play this. Let's play this. This is entertaining. This is fun. Why am I doing this to myself? Okay, I killed myself. You know, I'm gonna try to figure something out. Let's open up Photoshop. Hello, I'm back. Yes, I'm gonna fix this later. Oh, shit. Fix it, huh? Oh, nice, welcome back. Okay, so a few things that I wanna say is that, first thing is, something is wrong with your game. So I think it might be the file. It might be the file, I don't know why, but I couldn't open this. Game.exe. Okay. You're using GameMaker, right? I'm gonna uninstall this for a bit. So let me do some kind of explaining. So when you publish a... Oh, so my bad. When you publish a game, what you gotta do is export the game. So you gotta export the game. Export. Ugh. What am I trying to write? Try exporting the game. Try exporting the game, and when you export the game, let's say I'm gonna do something. Let's see, project export. Yeah, over here. See, you can export the game, and if you're using GameMaker, I mean RPG Maker. I don't know what it is. Is it RPG Maker? Ah, this. How to deploy your game. If you have tried this and it's still not working, then I have no idea how to help you. But you know, a game usually comes in this way. It comes in a file. Oh my god. Comes in a file, and it will have some stuff. Obviously it will have your game.exe. It will have a folder containing your arts, cache, and some other stuff, codes and stuff. So when you export the game, it will come with all of this. So when you open up the game, it can refer to the art, to the cache, and the codes, and etc. I think you should look up into it, because if you don't fix that, then people couldn't play your game, which is very, very saddening. Because when someone or some other people want to try your game and it just doesn't work, it can be a little heartbreaking. But I know that you're trying your best. We are all trying our best, and I think it's a easy fix. I bet you can do it. I bet you can do it. Apparently it's system error. Ooh, that sucks. Alright. Okay, I think that's it for my stream today. It's not much. It's not a very long stream. It's only been an hour and 56 minutes. But I do enjoy every single second of this stream. I just wanted to say this. I do enjoy every second of this stream, even though when I have no viewer. But you, the Void one, you don't give me a chance to have no viewers, because the moment I stream, I just see you over there. You came in so fast. Yeah, thank you for staying in. Thank you for listening to my rambles, my yapping. And good luck working on your game. I will too try my best to work on my game. And I want to say sorry if I am a little bit unwell, and maybe some of my words doesn't sound very clear, and I can get my stream. I know that my stream can get a little bit boring from all the coding and stuff, but I try to make it a little entertaining by explaining some stuff and making voices. But if you have any kind of suggestion on how to make my stream a little bit entertaining, a little bit more engaging, I will be more than happy to hear that, especially from you. My second, actually, my first, I don't know if you're my first or second. Let's check it out. Actually, I think you are my first follower. Let's check it out. If we go to our... Wait. If we go to my channel... Wait. My latest follower. No, you're the second follower. But yes, if you have a suggestion on how I can make my stream a little bit more entertaining, a little bit more engaging, please do tell me. I don't think so. You are always entertaining for me. I enjoy when you chat and do voices. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. I just wanted to say thank you again for hanging out. I couldn't be here without all of you, without you. And I'll see you again, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, maybe the day after that. Who knows? But most likely tomorrow. I will work on my game and try to be a little bit better. Thank you for staying in. Bye bye. See you later on my birthday. Oh yeah, tomorrow is your birthday. I will make sure to congratulate you for your